In front of me is Motorola Moto G57 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on this section called Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts. Select Add Contact and click on the one you wanna set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Before exiting those options, make sure to tap on Change Settings at the bottom and check if this switcher next to Show when locked is enabled. Without it, your emergency contacts won't be accessible from locked screen. Go back, and to edit your list, use those three dots next to any contact. This way, you can move it up, you can move it down, or remove it altogether from the list. So now let's go back and check out if it worked. When I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I need to click on Emergency Call at the bottom. Then hold this icon and swipe it to the right. And now, as you can see, my emergency contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!